Are you looking for the best sewing machine for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machine the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Brother CS6000i Sewing Machine. Brother CS6000i offers an extensive variety of sewing features and all at a price that doesn't hurt your pocket. The Brother CS6000i sewing machine is an easy-to-use sewing machine and has some really good features such as an automatic needle threader, free arm for making sleeves, collar and cuff, stitch speed control sliders, and an LCD display. The carry case makes it easy to carry Brother CS6000i sewing machines from one place to another easily and saves it from dust. Brother CS6000i is one of the popular sewing machines around the world because it offers a variety of features to customers. It comes with 60 built-in stitches, which is more than any other sewing machine that falls under this price range. It includes 7 styles of one-step automatic buttonholes. It also comes with a free arm feature for making cuffs and sleeves with ease. It comes with a hardcover and detachable extension table for handling bigger crafting projects. At number 2. Singer Quantum 9960 Sewing Machine. If you are looking for a multi-purpose sewing machine that wouldn't just let you do the regular sewing but also let you make the quilt, Singer 9960 is a real gem and comes with a huge number of features that even beginners can make use of. This portable yet powerful computerized sewing machine comes with 600 built-in stitches for decorating the crafting project with different stitch patterns. This computerized sewing machine has an automatic needle threader feature, easy threading system, automatic tension controller, which makes it a good choice for beginner sewists even though it is a high-end sewing machine. The other computerized sewing machines are generally hard to operate, but the Singer 9960 sewing machine is easier to operate and get started. It also comes with a wide extension table for handling large crafting projects with ease. Its upper model Singer 9980 has lots more interesting features if you could extend the budget bit more. The LCD display panel shows the current stitch you are on. The work area is so nicely illuminated with LED lights that you can start with your crafting project even in low lighting conditions. At number 3. Singer 2277 Tradition Sewing Machine. The Singer 2277 Tradition sewing machine's key features include 23 built-in stitches with a completely automatic one-stage buttonhole. It is one of the Singer simple sewing machines out there. The Singer 2277 Stylist Sewing Machine is a 2-time Consumers Award winner that shows it is people who love this sewing machine. This portable, yet powerful sewing machine comes with important and beginner-friendly features such as automatic bobbin winding, automatic needle threader, and free arm for making cuffs, sleeves, etc. The sewing machine has a heavy-duty metal frame which accounts for stability and durability. It also shipped with a darning table for free motion sewing. 2 big rotatory dials are given, one for selecting the length and width of the stitches and another one for choosing the stitch of your choice. The reverse stitch lever helps you reinforce the stitches so that the clothes are sewn tight. At number 4. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. If you are willing to spend less money on buying a sewing machine at first before you purchase a high-end sewing machine, Brother XM2701 is an ideal choice. It comes with all those features that anyone would need in a beginner-friendly sewing machine. It is a domestic sewing machine that you can get for under $100 and start learning to sew. The highlighted features of the Brother XM2701 sewing machine are its 27 built-in stitches and one-step automatic buttonhole. The design of this sewing machine is pretty impressive, and if you place it on the table, it will give you a premium look. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. This sewing machine is specially designed for beginner sewists who want to learn to operate a sewing machine and do some basic stitching work at home. It comes with 6 sewing feet and other necessary accessories. These features are really helpful for beginner sewists since being a newcomer, they find it doing these things their own. The instruction DVD included with this sewing machine makes it easy to understand every function of this sewing machine. At number 5. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. If you looking for some heavy-duty sewing machine, Singer 4423 is the best choice. Whether you, being a beginner, wants to start with fabric like denim or canvas or other hard material, this sewing machine can help you achieve the work very easily. There are reasons why Singer 4423 is a great choice for a heavy-duty sewing machine for beginners. Singer 4423 is one of the most popular heavy-duty sewing machines from the Singer company. In fact, I'd say this is the best one available within this price range. Talking about Singer 4423 comes with 23 built-in stitches, and its heavy-duty metallic frame makes this sewing machine sturdy and helps with skip-free sewing. It includes 12 decorative stitches and a one-step automatic buttonhole. The sewing machine has an easy threading system, automatic needle threader, free arm, reverse stitch, and a top drop-in bobbin with a clear plate.